Bangladesh's agriculture is rapidly moving towards a more mechanized and technology-driven future. Among these innovations, agricultural drones have the potential to transform the way crops are protected. To evaluate this technology under local farming conditions, ACI Motors has been conducting field demonstrations and practical drone trials across different regions of Bangladesh. As part of this initiative, a successful field trial was conducted on 25 of June 2026 at Karacha Union in Tangale district. A 1-acre vegetable field was selected for the demonstration, where bottle gourd, bitter gourd, and eggplant were cultivated on trellis systems. These crops are difficult to spray manually, making the process time-consuming, physically demanding, and exposing operators to agrochemicals. Traditionally, spraying this 1-acre field requires approximately 5 to 6 hours and 200 liters of water. Using the DJI Agris T30 agricultural drone, the same field was sprayed in just 40 minutes with only 100 liters of spray solution.
আজকে আমার জমিতে এসিআই কোম্পানির ড্রোন দিয়ে কীটনাশক ছিটিয়ে দিলাম। কীটনাশক ছিটানো ড্রোন দিয়ে দেখলাম যে সব পুরো জায়গায় ভালোভাবে ভিজে এবং কি সময়ও পাচ্ছে। ড্রোন দিয়ে দিলে 40 থেকে 45 মিনিট সময়েই দেওয়া যায়। দেখা গেছে আমরা একটা লেবার দিয়ে দিলে আমাদের সারা দিন লাগতো 800 থেকে 1000 টাকা তাকে দিতে হলো।
As the farm size increases, the benefits of drone technology become even greater. Depending on crop type and field conditions, this class of agricultural drone can spray approximately 15 to 20 acres per hour. Beyond pesticide application, agricultural drones can also be used for liquid fertilizer application, fish feed and medicine distribution in aquaculture, and orchard spraying. ACI Motors remains committed to introducing innovative agricultural technologies that improve farming efficiency and support the future of Bangladesh agriculture. We believe agricultural drones will make farming easier, faster, safer, and more cost-effective. With supportive government policies and wider adoption, this technology has the potential to become an important part of modern agriculture in Bangladesh.
আজকে আমাদের জমিতে কীটনাশক ছিটানো হলো এসিআর ড্রোন দিয়ে। আগে লেবার দিয়ে দিতে হলে সারাদিন চলে যেত, আর ড্রোন দিয়ে দিতে হলে খুবই ভালো হয়। এত সুন্দর একটা প্রযুক্তি বাংলাদেশে আনার জন্য এসিআই কোম্পানিকে ধন্যবাদ।
Driving the future of smart agriculture. ACI Motors.